Hello traders and investors, how are you doing today my friends? Welcome to another video here in the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan and today I am going to give you guys 5 reasons why I firmly believe Tesla found its strongest support level in history. So yeah, I think this video is going to be very good, very informative. If you are my subscriber, remember to click on the like button, my friend. Your support is invaluable to me. I really appreciate your trust, your friendship, your kindness. It is for free, right? You may click on the like button for free. Just like this video, help to spread the joy, because in this video I will spread the joy a little bit. I am optimistic with Tesla. And if you are not my subscriber yet, I invite you to join our community. I mean, we already have 800 subscribers. That's a lot to me. I am very happy, very proud of our community. So you are invited to join us. I bet you are going to like this video. I bet you'll find this video very good. See, this is Tesla's chart, Tesla's daily chart. Today, we millimetrically feel it, this little gap over here, which everybody was talking about. I think that gap was the main reason why Tesla dropped it today. I mean, it was a target for many short traders on Tesla. Many people were looking at this gap, planning on buying Tesla over here if they see a reaction. So I think this is a very nice support level in Tesla. And right now we are going up 1.76%. If we look at the weekly chart, yes, this gap is one of the reasons why I firmly believe this green area is the strongest support level in Tesla. First, we have the gap. Then we see the 21 EMA in the weekly chart, this black line over here. Tesla dropped it millimetrically to this 21 EMA, and right now we are bouncing back up. We also have the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement, which is also a very strong support level. But honestly, it feels to me that the 50% retracement is also doing a very good and competent job. Maybe it's going to close above the 50% retracement. We'll see. What's more, we have the 900s, which is this purple line over here. The 900s was Tesla's top in January 25, 2021. So it was our previous all-time high this year. And since we broke this line, Tesla simply kept flying. The momentum was very strong. And according to the principle of polarity in technical analysis, previous tops are going to work as future supports, and vice versa. Previous supports are going to work as resistances in the future. So right now, this is a very possible support level for Tesla, the 900s. And what's even more interesting is that Tesla is following the Dow theory tenets. It's following precisely the 5th tenet, which is the volume must confirm the trend. When we see Tesla going up like this, the volume spiked nicely over here. And since it started dropping, we see that the volume is also dropping. See this red line over here following the trend in the volume? The volume is the price is dropping with volume decreasing. That's a classic trait of a harmless correction. So every single time we see a secondary trend going against the primary trend, and that's the first tenet in Daw's theory. Markets have 3 different types of trends, right? That's a secondary trend because it's indicating to us the midterm trend. In the daily chart, the trend is bearish, okay? It's doing lower highs, lower lows. That's a fact. But in the long term trend is clearly bullish. What's more, it's doing secondary trend, which is bearish with low volume, and every single time that happens, it is an opportunity to buy because the long-term trend is still bullish. So these 5 reasons, 21 EMA, gap, 61.8% retracement, 900s, Dow theory, 5th tenet, all of these signs are indicating to me that Tesla is doing just a harmless correction and that this point is the strongest support level in Tesla that we could ever ask it for. All right. If we look at this chart over here, this is the daily chart, Tesla's daily chart. We still see a very strong divergence on the price and on the OBV and on the accumulation distribution indices. These two indicators are very good to tell us the level of accumulation, what the smart money is doing right now. And we can clearly see a very strong divergence. While Tesla is doing lower highs, lower lows, the OBV is doing equal highs and higher lows. The accumulation distribution index did lower lows and it is doing higher highs. It is at a higher level right now than when it was at the top, when Tesla was at 1200s. So that kind of divergence would never occur in a market when we see a crystal clear sell-off. This is a crystal clear trade of an accumulation. The smart money is buying Tesla. To be honest, to be even more concrete with this idea, the smart money is buying every single time Tesla drops below 1K with even more aggressivity. Because, guys, again, I will have to explain to you guys what makes the markets move. I mean, for every single person buying, there is one person selling, so the volume shouldn't tell us too much. Yes, you are right, but think about this. What truly makes the market move is the level of aggression. Because for every single person buying, there is one selling, yes, but we must always look at the offer book, the book of offers, right, where people are actually putting their offers on Tesla. You will see people selling Tesla at 900s, trying to sell Tesla at 950s, 960s, 70s, and this goes on. If you see aggression, it means that people are actually buying Tesla, wiping out the offers at this book. So people are buying at, I don't know, 960s, 70s, 80s, and then they're wiping out the orders. And that's what makes the market actually moves. This is what makes the price goes up or down, is the level of aggression. And we would never see such a strong divergence on OBV and on AD if the level of aggression weren't very, very high. Okay, so that's why I think there's a very nice process of accumulation. The smart money is buying Tesla, and the time retail traders realize it's going to be too damn late, retail traders are going to lose this opportunity again as usual. That's my humble opinion as a trader, because I am a trader, a retail trader, retail investor, just like you guys. So I'm just sharing my thoughts on Tesla at this moment. And what's even more interesting, let's analyze the indices over here for a change. The S&P is reacting very, very nicely. It just filled its gap over here. The Nasdaq index is also doing a very impressive reaction. It seems we are gonna close above the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement over here after we retested the 50% retracement a few weeks ago in the beginning of this month. And right now, it feels like we had such a sharp sell-off thanks to this Omicron, thanks to Fed and everything else. But the trend is not bearish over here. Unlike Tesla, the markets are not at all in a bear trend. The trend might be sideways, but it's not bearish, while the long-term trend is clearly bullish. The Nasdaq index, for instance, we are just trying to retest the 21 EMA in the weekly chart, and this is it. It is still a crystal clear bull trend, higher highs, higher lows, so there's no way I can't be optimistic with Tesla doing such an interesting reaction in the strongest support level in history. I can't help myself but be optimistic. I was talking to one of my patrons this week, and guys, I don't know if you know that, but yes, I am Brazilian, okay? This license plate over here was a gift from one of my patrons. I really appreciate this gift. Thank you very much. But I am Brazilian, and when I see you guys complaining about high inflation of nearly 7%, I don't know, maybe I am biased because I live in Brazil, but that's nothing. I mean, our inflation rate over here is 10%. So And that's just fine. The markets are still here. It's not going to be the end of the world. In the US, if you see a very high inflation rate, I am not trying to diminish your problems. Of course, I'm not to make, I will not try to make this I'm so sorry, I will not try to treat this with disdain. That's not my intention. But regardless of how the inflation is, regardless of what the Fed is doing, I can't see but good signs in the US market. The US market is just amazing. As a Brazilian, as someone who's out, as a foreign trader, I am amazed by the US market. You guys have so many sectors, so many companies, so many great companies, so many amazing opportunities. We don't have that kind of Tesla, for instance. We don't have a company like Tesla here in Brazil. We don't have any electric company here in Brazil. We don't have any biotech company in Brazil as well, and many, many other sectors. And I can't see you guys in real problems. I mean, of course you guys have problems, but they're nothing compared to what I already have seen. So again, maybe I am biased, but when I look a phenomenal economy, a phenomenal country like the United States, I can't help myself but be optimistic with all these signs. And when we look at Tesla over here, yes, Tesla crashed. Yes, let me see over here. Let's calculate. Since the all-time high, Tesla crashed 24% roughly. Oh my God. Is that the end of the world? Really? Let's see in January 4. In January 4, Tesla was around 700s over here. It's gone up. Is that right? 32% this year? So this year, Tesla is going up 32%. Okay, it dropped a lot, but it's still going up very, very nicely. More than 30% is a very good profitability. So, see, it is a phenomenal company. Again, I can't help myself but be optimistic over here. I really hope this video was informative, and if you are still watching this and you didn't subscribe, it is about time for you to subscribe. I do believe I earned your trust, alright? There's no way you didn't like this video. You wouldn't be here otherwise. So please subscribe to this channel, click on the like button. It is your last chance because this video is over. Have a great weekend, my friends. Bye bye.